Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be installing a wig from Neatandsleek. This is their 13 by 6 lace front butterfly locks wig, and the wig came in the satin bag. So I'll go ahead and show you guys what the wig looks like, and also the scent hair accessories as well that we're going to be using to style and accessorize the hair. Yeah, you guys, we're gonna be rocking this wig today. So this is the jewelry that they send, and then we have the butterfly locks wig. You guys, this wig is made with human hair lace wig that gives you this natural look that it has, and this is in color 1B, and the length is shoulder length. Like, it just sits pretty on my shoulder, so this is the inside of the wig. It has 3 combs, and it has this strap and also another adjustable strap. This wig is super secured, and another good part of this wig is that the knots are fully bleached already. Like, the knots of this wig are fully bleached already, and you guys see the way it blends perfectly well to my skin. You see, all I just need to do now is install it. I do not have to bother about bleaching it or trying to apply foundation on it so it matches with my skin. I don't have to do all those work. So without wasting much time, let's go straight into the installation proper of this video.
Broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking.
For the installation of this wig, I used the Got to Be spray to install this wig. Now, if you're not new, if you're an OG, you know that this is what I use in installing my wig. I so find it very easy to use, and it just works perfectly well for me. So that's what I'm going to use, and spray on the lace net, and then use my hand dryer to blow dry it so it dries quickly. And I sprayed the Got to Be spray in section, like I said, from both sides of the ear, and then sprayed the middle lastly. That is how I use the Got to Be spray to install this butterfly locks wig. As always, I'm going to leave all details of this wig will be in the description box, so kindly check my description box for more details about this wig. And if you've not subscribed to my channel already, please guys, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you get notified whenever I put out a new video. Do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and leave your comment in the comment section. The next thing I'm going to do is cut out the excess lace at the front of the wig.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back.
As you guys can see, the hairline is already pre-plucked, so I'm going to use my scissors to cut the baby hair, and then use my shine and jam gel to lay down the baby hair, and that is it, you guys. I'm going to use the accessory or the jewelry that was sent to style this hair and just give it a different look. Like, the carries gave it a whole different look. You guys are going to be seeing that shortly. So to wrap it up, I used a scarf to lay down the hair. That way it just melts down everything, and I left it on for like 3 to 5 minutes, and after which just take it off, and that is it, you guys.
Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver.
You see the final look. It is wow, it is amazing. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. So this is it for this video. I'm just going to style it now, and you guys see how this suits me. Like, I'm literally transformed. That is it, guys. This hair is beautiful. Like, it is beautiful, you guys. The hair is so cute, and it just fits me so well. I'm looking like one, how do I put it now, you guys? I just look different and very fine. A fine girl, you know. But that is it, you guys, on this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Leave your comment in the comment section. Until next time, stay blessed and beautiful. I love you guys. Bye bye.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh,